Congratulations! You have made it to week 12. We are at the end. This is the last video for this course. So this week you are finishing your conversations on your symposium presentations. I hope those conversations have been productive and interesting. You have until Thursday to wrap those up this week. You are also finishing your ARP, your Analytical Research Project. I'm still working on getting all of you feedback on your rough drafts, but in the meantime, if you would like to email me and ask me any questions or run any sections by me, please feel free. The last thing I want to talk about are the evaluations that you'll see in module for week 12. Those evaluations help us improve teaching and help improve the online courses that are offered by the department, so please do take your time and fill those out honestly and as specifically as possible. It's been a delight spending the summer with you, and I wish you the best of luck in your fall semester.